Hello, welcome our The Best 5 channel. Today in this video, I'm going to show some of the best jump ropes that have been best sold and reviewed in the last couple of months on Amazon. Let's go start. Number 1. Wode Nation Blazing Fast Jumping Ropes. This affordable jump rope was designed with real athletes in mind. It's customizable. Just clip it with a wire cutter when it arrives and you're on your way. It has plastic handles with metal ball bearing to help the rope achieve a fast and stable spin. It's extremely lightweight and easy to travel with. The stability of this rope helps you recover from any inaccurate swings quickly and without ruining your routine. It's very durable and they also offer a lifetime guarantee. They include a free carrying bag and you get an extra cable. There's 9 colors to choose from so you can really make it your own. Some users don't think the rope is fast enough for them and there have been complaints about quality. But with the replacement cable and the guarantee, you should still be very happy with this purchase. Pros: patented lightning fast bearings, lightweight, adjustable rope length. Comes with a nylon carrying bag. Cons: packaging issues, not good for beginners. Number 2. Survival and Speed Adjustable Cross Jump Rope. The Survival and Cross Jump Rope is fully adjustable to provide a good endurance workout. It is built with 5-inch handles and a 10-foot cable. Whether you are a beginner or a well-experienced athlete, this jump rope is easy to handle. You can use it like a casual skipping rope or for an extensive boxing workout. It has lightweight handles with a tangle and twist-free coated steel cable. They are connected to ball bearings that provide easy and proper rotation, smooth motion, and super fast speeds for your workout. It is made of high-quality material to ensure a long life. It comes with a downloadable exercise manual to help you achieve a more enhanced workout experience. This jump rope is easy and convenient to use, especially for cardio exercises. At under 2.9 ounces, this rope is barely half the weight of others. That may appeal to someone looking to do longer workouts for cardio endurance rather than short, powerful workouts for power and speed. Pros: fully adjustable, easy to use, lightweight, compact, easy to carry. Cons: light-coated rope may break, has a thin cable. Number 3. Crossrope Get Lean Weighted Jump Rope Set. The Crossrope Get Lean set is packed with features and extras. It includes a 1/4 pound rope and a 1/2 pound rope to achieve different goals. The 1/2 pound heavier rope is meant for strength training while the 1/4 pound rope dials back the strength and cardio just a notch. In addition to that, you can change the ropes very quickly and conveniently. Slim handles enhance the comfort factor and allow for a greater variety of users to maximize efficiency and comfort levels. The durability of the PVC-coated ropes means you can use it on nearly any surface and it'll last a long time for sure. If all this is not enough, Crossrope sweetens the pot even more. They offer a free customizable rope jumping app to fine-tune your workout, and there's a substantial online community to get answers and offer encouragement. Pros: 2 ropes for ultimate variety and versatility in training. Customized app available. Extremely durable ropes coated with PVC. Cons: price. Handles might smell bad, like weird chemicals. Yep, it's the only other negative besides price. Number 4. Sonic Boom M2 High-Speed Jump Rope. The Sonic Boom is at the upper price range of our rope reviews, but for the price overall, we think it's worth it. Why? Okay, you asked for it. For starters, the premium grade 360-degree ball bearings in the handles, combined with anti-slip grips, are just the beginning. A free carrying case and online training course, $16 value, are just nice little window dressings. This system also boasts the first patented self-locking, screw-free jump rope on the market. That's kind of a big deal. The included 2 adjustable, 10-foot polymer-coated speed cables allow for adjustments of any kind anytime for anyone, with maximum versatility. Here's a fun warranty. The Sonic Boom M2 comes with a lifetime warranty and satisfaction guarantee, which means you're protected against broken parts and changes of hearts. Get it? Pros: first self-locking and screw-free rope on the market. Comfortable handles, adjustable. Cons: it's the highest priced single rope we have. Well, it's actually a bit of a tie with the Crossrope set, but it's still not astronomical. Number 5. Ballistics Premium Speed Jump Rope. The Ballistics Jump Rope by Epitome Fitness boasts a tangle-free experience -100% of the time. A tall order, but an excellent quality if it's true. The polymer-coated speed cable is attached to a set of bearings that allow smooth and fast rotations, which is always good with a rope you'll be using for fitness. It's adjustable in lots of ways, including cable length, so pretty much anyone and everyone in your family or fitness group can use it easily. It has a weighted cable which works with exercisers as tall as 6'6". That pretty much covers every adult I've ever met in my life recently, other than about 35% of pro NBA players who may need a longer rope. The cable for the Ballistics jump rope is made of stainless steel and is coated with a PVC polymer. For a speed cable, it is thicker and has a bit more weight than your average 2 mm thick cables. The handles are not foam, which tends to hold sweat and grime, but smooth silicone over stainless steel. This is a good thing. Also, note that this is not a child's toy. Even at this low price, it is meant to be a serious fitness tool. Pros: super good price, steel and silicone handles, customizable length, wear resistant. Cons: comes in limited color. We have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Thanks for watching.